Are you looking for the best handheld ham radio available on Amazon? I've got the best options for you straight ahead. Stick around. Hi everybody, welcome back to Ham Shack TV. I'm your host Josh A4WX. Today we're counting down the top 5 handheld ham radios available right now on Amazon. Whether you're looking for power, portability, or the best bang for your buck, this list has something for every ham radio operator. We'll break down key features, pros and cons, and why these radios are worth your attention. But first, a quick message from our sponsor. If you're watching this and thinking, man, I'd love to get my ham radio license, but don't know where to start, let me make it easy for you. Ham Radio Prep is the fastest and easiest way to pass your ham radio exam. Their online courses break down everything into simple, bite-sized lessons that make learning a breeze. No boring textbooks, no confusing technical jargon, plus they have practice tests that are just like the real thing. And here's the best part. If you use my special link, or my special coupon code, gosh, I can't talk. If you use my special coupon code HamShackTV, you'll get an additional 10% off at checkout. Just go to hamradioprep.com and then use promo code HamShackTV to immediately save that 10% off. Stop putting it off and get your license today. Start making contacts on the air. All right, so we're going to talk about these top 5 radio options available on Amazon, and we're going to start out with everybody's favorite. I say that tongue-in-cheek. But let's start out with a Baofeng, all right? Everybody knows about the Baofengs and things like that. Here's the first one I found. Now, this is the Baofeng BF-F8HP. It's the UV5R 3rd generation. They claim to be 8 watts, and they're dual-band two-way radios. They'll do 136 to 174 VHF, and they'll do 400 to 520 UHF. These are Part 97 Part 97. That's the word I'm looking for. These are for Part 97. However, they will do GMRS. Just saying. But these come in black. You get the large extra capacity battery with 2,000 milliamps. It's 30% larger battery than the stock battery. Stock battery is only 1,500 milliamp hours. Here's what comes in the box. You get the manual. You get a drop-in charger. You get the antenna. You get an earpiece as well as the wall wart for the charger. Here's another look at the radio and some specs on it. There's the box, and then there's some videos available. You'll see the link for this one down in the description. It is $62.89 available now, and they can deliver it overnight depending on when you go to the link down below. So make sure you use the link down below. We'll appreciate that. Let's go to number 4 on the list. Number 4 on the list is the Radioddity GS-5B dual band ham radio handheld. It is Bluetooth programmable, long-range two-way radio, dual PTT, 2,000 milliamp USB rechargeable battery. That's important, USB. Folks are liking the USB rechargeables, and it comes with a high-gain antenna. So let's take a look here. There's your screen. It is app programming, chirp programming, CPS programming, and keypad programming. So you don't have to have a computer or a smartphone to do this. You can do it via the keypad, but in my experience, using the phone and that stuff works. You can invert the display if you want. It's got an LED flashlight with an SOS strobe function. Energy saving circuit system. It does have a 2 to 3 day long time standby mode, and then 12 to 24 hours of working mode. So really, really good on the battery, it looks like. This one is $99.99. Excuse me, available at the link down below. And you can also see I do have a 20% coupon available on mine. You may also have the same. Let me get a drink here. These Radioddity radios are quite popular right now. Quite popular. frequency range is 144 to 148 and 420 to 450. So this one does not look like it's capable of GMRS, but there you go. Good looking radio, and I happen to be partial orange, so that's a nice color for that one. Let's move on to number 3 on the list. The AnyTone ATD878 UV2 Plus dual band DMR analog 7-watt VHF, 6-watt UHF handheld. Free with $97 training course. This is being sold through Bridgecom Systems through Amazon. So this particular radio is $334.99, but you're getting a whole lot for that. You're getting everything you see in the picture here. There's the radio. You get a little PTT wristwatch thing. There's a belt clip. There's a USB cable. I don't remember what they call these rope things, but the wrist rope thing, I guess you call it. You got the K connector there for USB programming. Then you also get the drop-in charger. It comes with USB-C batteries, so that's a good plus. Bridgecom University, the $97 course to help you learn how to operate the radio. It is water resistant, and you can do 4,000 memory groups or memory channels, 10,000 talk groups, and 250 zones. So this is a fantastic radio. Matter of fact, I have one right here. I love my AnyTone. I don't use it that frequently just because I'm not a DMR aficionado. But they are great radios. Once you learn what you're doing, it's easy to program them. You do have to use the software to program this thing. But it's the AnyTone AT878 UV2, available at the link down below. Let's go to number 2 on the list. Number 2 is the Yaesu FT-60R dual band handheld 5-watt VHF UHF amateur radio transceiver. It is dual band, obviously, $209.99. This you get the you obviously get the radio here. Now this is just analog, so no fusion, no nothing like that. But it's if you're a big fan of Yaesu like I am, I'm split. I like Yaesu and Icom. I have all Icom equipment. I don't have any Yaesu equipment anymore. But there for many years I was a Yaesu fan. 1400 milliamp battery, charger, antenna, and belt clip are all included. 5 watts does CTCSS and DCS, PL, DPL, DTMF pad, alphanumeric display, receives 108 to 520 megahertz and 700 to 99 megahertz or 999 megahertz, but it only transmits in the ham bands 144, 148, and 430 to 450. So no GMRS on this. No GMRS. It does have 1,000 memory channels, NOAA weather alert, and much more. This is the Yaesu FT-60R. All right, one more, and we are done for the day. This is, you knew there was going to be some Icom in here. This is the Icom IC-V86 VHF. So this is VHF only. It's a single band. However, in my opinion, this is the most bang for your buck, with the exception of the AnyTone. It depends on what you're trying to spend. If you're trying to not spend a lot of money, but get a good quality radio, Icom V86 is the way to go. This is a look at the radio there. Nice keypad, nice screen. Moving down here. Let's see here. I'm trying to see if there's any more details. What is included in the box? It is the radio, and it doesn't say anything about charger, but I'm assuming the charger's there. The description says that gives you more audio, more RF power, more coverage, and more battery capacity. MIL STD portable with 1.5 watts of audio power and a new chassis design. And Icom radios are pretty durable, folks. Ask Carlos. Boy, why can I not remember his call sign? I cannot remember his call sign. Carlos, the skydiver. Life at Terminal Velocity, I think, is his YouTube channel. He dropped an Icom HT from up in the air. Now, mind you, that's not good from the FAA, but it just fell out of his jump pack. So these Icom radios are very, very durable. if they can survive that fall, what else could they fall? What else could they survive? Let's see here. V86 expands user radio coverage to 7 watts of RF power, and it has a 2250 milliamp hour lithium-ion battery pack, which provides for longer operational capabilities. You'll see a link for this down in the description. Again, it's the Icom V86 VHF. Great radio. So, folks, I'm very, very happy with these radios. I gave you from top to bottom. I personally am not a Baofeng fan. I've got a bunch of them sitting around here. Is this one? No, that's a TYT. I've got one sitting here somewhere. Right here. This is the one I've got, the UV-K5. K5s are good radios. They're cheap. There's no question about it. They're cheap, and I dropped my mouse. Oh, goodness. But they work. You know, they work. They're good for what they are. What did I do? There we go. I hit so this can go 2 different ways on my mouse to 2 different computers. But anyway, great little radio. If you're looking for an HT, try one of my recommendations. And you know what? Go ahead and click on the links down below and just see what you like. See if there's anything else you like. And you'll be supporting the channel. So, guys, that's all I've got to share with you today. Appreciate you watching Ham Shack TV. I know a lot of you are brand new to the channel, which I am so thrilled with. Several folks have responded to the FCC video that I did the other day, as well as the cave rescue stuff. If you haven't seen that information, go back and check it out. They're in the previous videos in the channel here over the past couple of weeks. Go check them out. Appreciate you guys. More content's coming up. The next stop on the Ham Shack TV Hamfest tour, fueled by Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League, is Rars Fest, coming up April 5th in Raleigh, North Carolina. We'll see you soon. This is 73s. This is AA4WX WSCB 693.